And then she said,
bang.
Sanbalani, Dumalan, Basarase. I want to prank Pele today. He's out, but I don't know if he's near or what. That's why I'm whispering. We're gonna do the the broken neck prank. So I'm angry at him right now, so that's why he's outside. When he comes back inside, I'll act like I wanna make a video. That's when we go prank him, okay? Don't look at the bed because I'm still trying to clean the room. You know what I mean? Let me show you guys. So the guys don't say that. So the bed is like this because I was folding clothes and then I cleaned all around. As you can see, things are in order. Yeah, sharp.
5 hours later.
Okay guys, so now we've got a view of Pele.
Am I on the far?
You are here.
Let me repeat this.
The squares. Am I occupying the two top four
Yes,
squares?
you are.
Then you can join here. Then you fit.
So guys, I've prepared dinner. Here is the dinner. Alright?
That's a bit higher. I think I will do it for you, Mother.
Okay.
She prepared dinner. Here's the dinner. 2 pork ribs, ipapa, ne okra. Masarase.
Please apologize.
Mama. Stand up.
Okay, so I'm thinking to myself, how am I going to pull this off? How will I convince him that my neck is sore? And how will he massage my neck in order for me to bite the macaroni in my mouth? Okay, he's speaking a lot, blah, 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 blah. Honestly, I think I have an idea. What I have to do is forgive him right now, give him a hug, and just act like everything's cool. Yeah, let me just forgive him.
Okay, I forgive you. Oh, baby. I forgot to tell you that my neck is kind of sore.
Oh, your neck is sore. Oh, your neck is sore. Oh, okay. Now I will repay you with a massage to make your neck feel good. How about that? Just your neck. Nah, nothing. Just as an apology gift.
Do it now because it's
Yeah, we have to sit down, stand up some, and please take off your shirt and.
Yeah, take off my shirt.
Yeah, because I can't massage you from here.
They have to see that you're giving me a massage.
Oh, okay. No, fair.
But be gentle, eh?
Yes, ma'am. With oil.
Oily.
Ooh.
No, I don't want oil. It's gonna irritate my skin.
How is oil ever irritating your skin?
Okay.
Are you sitting comfortable? You sure? Shouldn't I put my legs under your legs so that you balance?
No, it's okay.
Do it.
I want to see if they can see you sitting down.
You can.
Okay. Hey, Magdo, you want this to be a serious?
No, I want you to be comfortable.
I'm
Come.
good. I'm
No,
comfortable.
You're
I'm
falling.
comfortable, baby.
You're falling.
I'm comfortable.
I'm
It's
not
not going to be
comfortable
that
with
long. I want you to taste the food in front of me.
Okay. This shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Your muscles is tense.
Yeah.
You have to ease in with it. You don't need to be vigorous with her. You understand? Like Yaya here, it can't be visible, but from me, I can see that her muscle is like ivuvugile. It's not her facial or her neck stretch.
Can you try and like?
No, don't do that. You will lock your. Okay,
what about this way then?
Wait.
Just Because I'm struggling to turn it this way.
Oh
Maybe
shit.
you could like do that.
You struggling to turn this way.
Yeah.
So it's painful.
Yeah.
It's not that you can't.
But what sometimes it becomes painful. When I was back at home, I could do like that thing. Then it becomes fun.
Like break your neck.
Like crack it a little bit.
I can't do that.
Baby, you can, trust me. My brothers used to do it to me, but you have to count to 3.
Nope, I ain't doing that. No ways. I'm massaging you. I'm massaging you.
It's not gonna relieve me, I know myself.
Trust me.
Baby, please. Please. Or must I do it myself?
Please do it yourself.
Aye, baby.
Do it yourself, bruh. What if I do too much?
Yeah. 1. You have to count.
Like I have to do what?
Like just
Let's practice the motion so that I don't go too far.
yeah, like this. But fast. 1, 2. You have to count. You have to do it fast. No, baby.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are you okay? Hey, wait a minute. How are you alive? How are you alive? More food for me.
For sake.
Yes, I knew it. I knew it. She's not dead. Put that.
Baby.
Yo, that prank was fucking prank. That was a freak action prank, dog. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, I got it on camera. Say Say Team Yaya.
Fuck you, man.
Yo guys, the macaroni was in my mouth and it was getting soggy. So I'm like, macaroni!
I thought it was ice.
So I'm like, fuck, if I chew on it and it won't make the sound, but at least it did. I wasn't even angry at you. I was planning this prank all the time.
You win. You lie. You are like, she wasn't angry.
I wasn't.
She was angry. That's the way she thought about that prank.
I did. I even have a video.
On the
that I
spot.
took. That's good. Say it to me, Yaya.
No. I can't.
Okay, if you don't say it, you're a coward. Because I literally pranked you. They saw your reaction. Play back.
1, 2, 3. Team Yaya.
Guys, he said Team Yaya, you know I'm in it to win it.
Team Yaya.
Baby matter. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching. If you really like this prank, comment down below what was your favorite part. You know what I mean. Yaya is on a roll. Pranks on pranks on pranks, period. With that being said, see you guys on our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We love you guys so much. It's Pele and Yaya. Peace. Oh, yeah.
And then she said,
Bang.